Want to check them out?
That's what I wanted.
Oh, really?
Let me see. What did they do? There's paper inside?
No. Just feet.
Oh my gosh!
The other one too.
And only sparkles on the side.
And in the top. Okay, honey, let me see you twinkle.
Awesome! Awesome! What else you got? You can leave them on? No, no?
We were just trying them on.
Oh, do they fit okay?
Yeah, they feel awesome.
Let's see what else is in there. Oh, that's just for that was in the shoe, honey. What else is in there? Yeah.
What's in there? Dump it out, dump it out.
Oh, it doesn't want to come out. We better leave it in there. Hold on, honey. Oh, not that. What are those?
Oh my gosh.
Are those what I think they are? No way.
They are Bella ballerina shoes that light up.
Ah!
Say thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
Let me see.